Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I prep for a huge sale. Now normally I do my studio vlogs on Sunday, but our sale is actually going to be starting on Friday, so I thought that you guys might want to know about the sale, see what's going on behind the scenes as I get ready for this weekend sale. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to work on is actually sorting through all of these fun freebies that I have for you guys. I did a ton of sampler swaps with a bunch of other shops that are going to be in this sale, and they did an amazing job. I still have a ton to open, so I thought it'd be fun to open these guys on camera, show you guys all of the fun goodies. I am going to sort them all and put them into baggies, so I am ready to give them out once the sale starts. Cutest samplers. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to give you guys these. So I have them sorted out into 3 different bins. There are 5 samplers in each one of these bins, so when I do fill my orders, it'll be so easy to just grab 5 of the samplers and put them in with the orders. So in order to get these samplers, it's going to be the first 40 orders over $20 that will get a little sampler swap bag. So the sale starts on Friday and goes to Sunday, so it's very possible that there'll be some left on Saturday. Probably not Sunday, but maybe, because I hadn't told anybody on Instagram, but there's actually more samplers than I had anticipated. So it's actually going to be the first 60 orders over $20 that will get a little swap sampler bag. I am so excited. I love giving you guys little goodies when you order, and especially during these big sales. So I am super excited about that. So the first 60 orders over $20 will get a little swap sampler baggie. I also have some freebies for my shop as well. They're going to be tiered freebies. There's a couple different ones of those, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on those next. Okay, so for our shop freebies, there's actually going to be 3 different tiers. I've already designed them, and actually guys, I've had these designed for quite a while. Once I knew I was going to be in the sale, I designed these right away. I have been wanting to come out with like a motivational vinyl sticker line for quite a while, and I thought that this would be a good time to introduce that. So they're not actually available in the shop yet, so that's why I wanted to do them as freebies. See what you guys think. So the first one here is our little shop sampler. So if you do make an order this weekend, you'll be getting this sampler. It has "Be kind to yourself" and then some of my favorite little stickers all around it. So if you haven't purchased from our shop before, I always include a little freebie. This this one is just themed with our Good Vibes collection. So then the next one here, if you do place an order that's $30 or more, you will be getting Good Vibes vinyl. So these come in actually lots of different colors. There's a green, teal, of course my favorite color, purple. There's a pink one too, and a blue one. So lots of fun colors. And then if you spend $45 or more, you will get a little goodie bag. Now these goodie bags have 5 sticker sheets in them. They're all various sizes, various stickers. I usually fill these ahead of time, and then when the order is placed, I just put them in the bag. Now I'm still going to fill them ahead of time, and I'll actually do that now, but I'm going to put them in different piles according to planners, because I do tend to put a lot of like kits inside of the goodie bags. It might be one sheet of stickers and then the rest are functional stickers. It might be a whole kit in the goodie bag. So I want to make sure that that kit will go for the planner person that has like the Hobonichi cousin or the vertical style planner or the brand new A5 daily duo that I am super psyched about. So if you have that planner, I want to make sure that it goes to the person that has that planner. I know when somebody orders like the vertical kit to grab a vertical bag, and I didn't want to actually put the stickers on here saying vertical grab bag and things like that. So I think that this will be a better way. Now I want you guys to be surprised, but I don't necessarily need to be surprised on what I'm putting in the grab bag for you guys. So I think that that is going to be a better system. So I'm going to hold off on making any more of the grab bags tonight. Now I want to actually really focus on stocking the store because I have so many things in the store. I think I have over 400 listings. I want to make sure that I have at least a lot of our popular items stocked for the store. Now Brian's also going to be helping me pack everybody's orders, and a lot of my stickers are actually in my desk. I open up the drawers and pull out the stickers. Now I think that that's fine, especially for the most part, because that's what I do on a regular basis, is stock the orders from my desk. I have a lot of the stickers you guys saw on the Calyx unit as well, and that is really easy for him to pull when he is helping out, but not necessarily when I'm at the desk, because if I'm at the desk then he can't really help me stock. So I want to make bins for all of the stickers in the desk. That way I can pull them out and he can help grab all of the stickers. It might be a better system overall, so it's probably going to be a happy little change. I just made some divider sticker labels for the new dividers. Now I used to make all of the dividers by hand, but guys, I found the perfect solution for my sticker dividers, and I'll show you guys in just a moment. I did just print out the divider labels, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut those, and then I'll turn you guys around and show you my fun dividers. Yay, so exciting. Alright, so this is how I store my functional stickers currently. It's actually really nice and handy when I'm sitting at the desk filling all of my orders. They're all my functional larger stickers right here. All of the kits are actually on the Calyx unit, and since Brian's going to be actually helping fill all of the orders this weekend, I want to have all of those stickers together. So I'm actually going to be pulling these all out and putting them into a bin, and I'm actually going to be changing all of these dividers as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm gonna share my big secret on how I'm going to be storing all of my shop stickers now, guys. I am so excited. No more printing and cutting the dividers, no more laminating the dividers. I mean, it would take me all weekend to get all of my dividers laminated and cut. Oh my gosh, I am so glad I don't have to do that anymore. I have my own dividers now. So in my shop, I actually sell these like frosted clear dividers for A5 planners or sticker albums, whatever you guys want to use them for. They are like hole punched already for the binders, but guys, they fit perfectly in these bins. Now I got the bins at IKEA. I'm not sure what these ones are called. I think they just the IKEA bins. It's 2049. They fit perfectly in here, and so do my stickers. So everything is going to be switched to this. Like I said, no more cutting any more dividers. I'm just going to be using all of these from now on. I think I'm actually going to switch out all of the dividers that I have in the Calyx unit to all of these as well, just to make it so much easier on myself and on Brian when he's filling all of the orders. So yay! All right, let's go ahead and put all the labels. Alright guys, I am finished for the night. I am totally pooped. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of the behind the scenes as I get ready for my big sale. If you guys do want to shop the sale, it does start at 9 a.m. on Friday, which should be tomorrow, the 25th to the 27th. The sale code will go live on my Instagram and on my Facebook page, so make sure you're following me there. Again, the first 60 people that spend $20 or more will get the awesome shop sampler goodie bag as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!